Yo, what's going on, guys? GT Robbie back with another vlog. So we got Elijah here. Elijah's gonna drive his clean ass Subi in here. So today we're gonna be putting on his Lowglow. I know it's kind of a long process like my GTR was, but we're gonna try to do our best to really do it on the Subaru now today. So we're gonna see how it goes. Should be pretty fun, and we're gonna have a good time doing it. Oh shit, my beer is in the way. I gotta move it, hold on. Gotta move this hunk of junk. Just kidding. Alright. So as you guys saw the last video, we had Elijah's diffuser we just installed. Installed his side skirts. His front lip, we didn't get to record that, but not even the side skirts either, but came out pretty nice. And now we're gonna put some Lowglow on today. So we got the table set up. So you got the rears, sides, and fronts. Pretty self-explanatory. Oh shit, hell yeah, that's a sick sticker. He didn't give me this cool of a sticker. We're gonna slap this guy right here. No. I'm just kidding. You don't want this one on me? Just kidding. Oh shit, nice. I got the 300ZX. Oh no, 300, 400. Can't believe I said that. No. These bastards. Oh yeah, Elijah, you got everything here? Yeah. Scoopy snacks. What the hell are these again? I can't remember what these are. These are connectors.
Yeah, that's all the way.
First off, before we install this, they always say to run everything first.
Make sure it
works. So let's go and do that. So as you guys can see, we bolted this up to his fuse box. We got this all connected to the battery. He has his little flicker switch right here. We already ran the lights, so everything works good. So we're gonna, we're gonna put all the LEDs underneath now. Start getting the car jacked up. So let's go and do that. As you guys can see, the Lowglow is put on. Elijah's astounded. Elijah don't even know what to say right now. Oh wow, look at the camera. Yeah. Now we mounted it right there on the splitter. Now we mounted it right here below. Also mounted on his diffuser. You should not be able to see it in the back. It's really low. As you guys can see, he has a very nice glow on his car. Right above here, has it lined up perfectly right there too. So yep, my second Lowglow installation went good, and I think we were able to do it pretty fast. How long did it take us, Elijah? Like 3 hours?
Yeah.
4 hours?
Yeah, 3.5 hours.
That's not too bad. His car was a lot easier than mine. Wow, look at that shine, that's crazy. Welcome to the Lowglow Club, my friend.
Thank you.
We're gonna be shining in the night now. Tonight we're gonna be going to a meet, so we'll see how it goes. Elijah wants to patch his tire too real quick, so we gotta go to the store. Wow, that looks amazing. Amazing.
Can't believe it.
Gonna make me want to turn on my Lowglow now. My Lowglow too. What is it?
The app.
Oh, the app, yeah. I need to really get this through the firewall in my car. Oh.
Hey, Roy.
Ooh, I forgot a freaking... My phone's inside. Yeah, my shit glows pretty nice too. Oh yeah. We're gonna look good on the road, my friend. Fuck yeah. Huh?
Which device is it?
Oh, you gotta go to the...
It all says a
It's
name.
2 services, that one. Yeah, that's that one. There you go. Elijah's working on his app. That's what's nice about this kit. It got the app and everything. My favorite one's the rainbow. I like the freaking... Watch, click on this top. And then go down to the one. I like that mode a lot. Damn. See how it just goes from perfectly
It does.
the flow of it? It's amazing. Better watch out for them cops, Elijah. You're gonna be getting pulled over like fuck now. Damn, yours kind of goes out pretty far. Well, your car's up in the air right now, so
Yeah.
once it's lower, it'll be a little bit lower.
Then
It's bright as hell.
the colors would be more defined instead of all
Yeah. Damn, dude, we're gonna be shining at that meet tonight. Alright guys, so we did a few touch-ups on the GTR too, while we're doing Elijah's car over there. So we ended up putting that low glow button right there, as you can see, that red light. That's now my low glow button, so I press that, I can turn my low glow on. Pretty cool. And I'm tired of having these little carbon fiber vents not on there anymore, so we're gonna go ahead and put those on. For some reason on these ones I have to drill a hole on my car just to get the stud through, so it's supposed to be stronger that way, so I'm gonna drill a hole now because screw it, I ain't got nothing to lose. Let's go ahead and do that so we get that those little vents on. No game, Elijah. So a little bit wider. Oh, look at that, Elijah. Clipped on there perfectly. That was nasty. Maybe I need some 3M tape right here though. Kind of hold it down. Yeah, but it looks pretty good. Sheesh.
How'd you even screw it in?
I had to drill the hole.
Oh. Wait, but how are you gonna put the bolt on?
That's the next part, my friend. That's why you're here to help me. It's actually better that I drill holes and then this thing holds it on better.
Yeah.
That's the spot right there. guys, after a long successful day, finally got those fender things on. That wasn't taking all day though, but just showing you guys how it looks. Much better on the GTR with those carbon. Those are full carbon fiber from Cybon, bolted straight on in the middle, so more supported actually. So we got a good amount of carbon on this car. Elijah just got his Lowglow installed. He's very satisfied. So quite a bit of work to do, guys. Now we're gonna do a little showing real quick. Alright. Sheesh. Damn, look at that Lowglow. Now the car's finally on the ground looking sick. Hell yeah. You should turn on the sea lights. Yeah. Damn, that shit looks beautiful. Man, Elijah's gonna get all kinds of tickets now. Oh, it even glows on the bottom really nice. On the bottom back here, it glows really nice. Oh, hell yeah. That shit looks sick. Now we got the Lowglow bros over here. Turn mine on real quick, huh? Yeah. Sheesh. Shining up in here. That's how we do it. Yeah, that shit looks beautiful. Now we're definitely gonna go break some necks. Hell yeah. Pretty sick, huh, Elijah?
Exactly, so dude.
We're gonna go cruising tonight. Well, I better end this video today right here because we're gonna go to a car meeting in a little bit, so we gotta head on out. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Later, Elijah.
Later.
Hell yeah. Thank you guys for watching again. Like, comment, subscribe for more. And yeah, catch us at the Subi meet tonight. Peace.